In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotkeys on TradingView. If you want to speed up your charting, streamline drawings, or quickly switch tools without hunting through menus, hotkeys are the way to go. They let you trigger your favorite actions instantly from your keyboard, and setting them up takes just a moment. Start by opening TradingView. You can use either the browser version or the desktop app. Once your chart workspace is visible, I'll look toward the top right corner of the interface. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings. That's where you'll manage your preferences, including hotkeys. Click it to open the Settings panel. Inside the Settings panel, find and open the Hotkeys tab. This tab organizes shortcuts by category so you can quickly locate the commands you use most. It's designed to make it easy to see what's available, what's already assigned, and what's still free to customize. Now choose the action you want to assign. You might select chart navigation, time frame switching, drawing tools, playback controls, or any other action you frequently use. Think about your workflow. If you draw trend lines constantly, assigning a quick keystroke to that tool can save you a ton of time over a session. If you regularly toggle between the crosshair and a drawing tool, creating a dedicated shortcut can make that transition feel seamless. When you've found the action, click the input field next to it and press the key or key combination you want to use. Modifiers like Shift, Control, Alt, or Command can help you create combinations that are easy to remember and unlikely to conflict with other shortcuts. If the combination you pick is already in use, TradingView will indicate a conflict so you can adjust it. Aim for something ergonomic and consistent with your habits. For example, keeping common actions on the same side of the keyboard can make them faster to reach. Also note that certain key combinations may be reserved by your operating system or browser and might not behave as expected, so choose alternatives if needed. Finally, click Save. This confirms your changes and activates the hotkey. From now on, that keystroke will trigger the action you assigned whenever you're working on your charts. Saving is important. Without it, your selection won't stick. And that's it. Open TradingView, go to Settings, head into the Hotkeys tab, choose your action, assign your keys, and save. With a few thoughtful choices, your charting will feel smoother, faster, and much more intuitive. Happy charting, and thanks for watching.